where the tickets are free. It will be stopping soon at the depot. You better be ready when you hear the whistle blow. The engineer is our Lord from above. He'll give you a ticket out of grace and love. If you don't hurry, this train will be gone. You'll miss your ride to that heavenly home. My name's on the ticket and there's no doubt I'll be riding this train up through the clouds. He'll blow the whistle, the gate will open wide. He's brought me safely to the other side. Come on, children, won't you ride with me on this train where the tickets are free? It will be stopping soon at the depot. You better be ready when you hear the whistle blow. Yes, you'd better be ready when you hear the whistle